Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gavina Fabre. Today I'm going to show you what's inside in my bag when I'm going to travel in a short distance only. Like I'm going to city or in a short distance, not in international or long distance. It's only about this is very short distance. Like this, I'm using this. Like I'm going to travel for like 1 day. I'm carrying this like this one. Okay. So what's inside of this bag? I have this. And this one, when I'm going to the city only, like I'm going to my friends also, like not overnight. I'm coming back the same day at home, so I am carrying this. So what's inside this when I'm going to the city? I want to show you this and this. Okay, this one, especially this time, of course, we have always fish shelled in our bag, and it's always the priority for this time when I'm going to the city. This kit, what's inside the kit? Of course, face mask, alcohol, face mask, I will not hold it, and health certificate and ball pen always. So it's always in the kit. And of course, I have beauty kit. It's always this in my bag. Anywhere I go, short distance, long distance, always this. So what's inside? This is handy for blush on. Of course, lipstick, lip gloss, cream for itching. Every time I'm carrying this one because sometimes I eat and there is something wrong in my skin. I easily can put this. Of course, lip gloss. If you have and too many small things for my face for retouch. I have all here. This is for my face care, for beauty care. And always I have this. What's inside this? Inside this is always I have charger and earphone. Somebody's calling me in the public, so I can wear earphone. So this is only for this. This is for my, of course, I put here also the telephone. And always I have sunglasses. I have always in my bag sunglasses. And always I have comb, mirror, and hair clip. In case you ride and it's open air, you can tie your hair. Of course, your wallet. You have here your wallet. This is important. And what you have in your wallet, of course, you put not too much money, enough money only. If you want to go to grocery, enough for your grocery. You cannot put a lot of money in your wallet because it's very dangerous. And the important, you have your identification card in your wallet here, where you are always carrying. You have always identification card, like you put your, if you have some, what's this? This is card for, like in our place, we have card for the jeep. So you have always this one in, you put always this one in your wallet. When you ride the jeep, it's air conditioned, so you can show this one. And of course you have, every time if you have card for, in case if you have card for Visa card, you put it there. And your card also, like your ATM, put it in your wallet. And like Palawan card, because sometimes you go to somebody, your friend send you money, so always this Palawan card is in your wallet. And of course, as I told you, you put a little amount of money. And you know, I have secret on my wallet. This is the good luck for my wallet. This is my secret. Ask me, comment below what's inside here. I have all secret in my wallet, but this is only for my personal thing. So that's it in my wallet. Cash and identification ID, and like identification to identification ID, because all the time they ask you to identification ID, so you have this. So that's it. This is for small travel to the city and you're coming back the same day. So this is my inside my, that's why I have a little bit bigger bag like this, because everything is here. So when I'm going to travel to one day overnight, I have this. Everything is here. Of course, you put maximum. It depends how long you travel. Like my example, only one night. So you put face towel and underwear. Okay. Of course, clip, nail, uh, about your nails, like nail cutter or everything. This is important for you because always, every time you travel, you have problem in your nails. So this is also cream. This is all about aging. You have problem in your skin. Of course, you have body cream. You have perfume. You have your sabon. You have your deodorant. Anyway, even you don't have a problem in your underarm, you can have the deodorant. The deodorant, it's only to moisturize your skin and to give smell for your underarm. Of course, a little body spray. And this about your teeth. Okay? Pag toothbrush ang ngipin, kailangan mayroon ka nun lagi. This is all about sa ngipin. And some Vicks, I'm putting Vicks because when you travel, you need of course toothbrush and toothpaste. So it's a part of this bag. It's all here. So, and of course I have two wallets. These wallets, I put my important things. It's like, you know what's here. If you have ATM, all identification card, important. And if you have cash, and also this one. It's all my ATM is here. All the cards, important cards is here. And also here. Always put your wallet's identification ID. So to let the others know that's this for you. So this is only for, of course, you can put your clothes and towels. This is how I travel for my short distance. This is always ready, my bag. This is how I travel. Bye bye, I'm going to travel. So thank you for watching, guys. Shout out to all my friends in PUB group. Thank you for watching, and to all other friends, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell to update my new vlogs. Happy watching. Bye bye. God bless. Stay safe always.